In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your OneDrive email in a step-by-step 2025 tutorial. Whether you're switching accounts for personal reasons or simply need a fresh start, I'll guide you through the process of transferring your OneDrive data from one account to another efficiently and securely. So, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is create a new Microsoft account, or if you already have one set up, that works just fine too. This new account will be the destination for all your files currently housed in your old OneDrive account. To begin this process, you'll need to log into your old OneDrive account. Simply head over to OneDrive.com and sign in with your current email and password. Once you've successfully logged in, you will see all your files and folders nicely laid out for you. Now, this might seem a bit tedious, but it's an important step. You'll want to select all of your files and folders. After selecting them, go ahead and click the download button to save them directly to your computer. Make sure you have enough storage space for this, as large files can take up quite a bit of room and a fair amount of time to download. With your files now safely downloaded to your computer, the next move is to sign out of your old OneDrive account. Just ensure you're completely logged out to avoid any confusion along the way. Now, it's time to sign back in, this time using your new Microsoft account. Access OneDrive with your newly created credentials, and let's get ready to move your files over. Once you're logged into the new account, you're going to reverse the earlier actions by uploading those files you just downloaded from your previous account. Head over to the Upload option in your new OneDrive interface and choose the files from your computer that you wish to transfer. Ensure that everything is uploaded by checking files and folders post-upload just to make sure you didn't miss anything. Keep in mind that switching completely to a new email or account through this method does indeed have its pros and cons. On the plus side, you're getting a fresh start. You won't have your old data mixed with new data, and you can manage your OneDrive with a new email address. However, the downside here is the manual nature of this data transfer. It can be time-consuming, especially if you have a large amount of data. Patience is key here. Make sure your internet connection is stable during these uploads to avoid any interruptions. And there you have it. Changing your OneDrive email by switching accounts doesn't have to be overwhelming. With your files now settled in your new account, you're all set to continue your OneDrive journey with a fresh start. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll